Ever suffered from laryngitis and wondered about a home remedy? Let's delve into this common yet often misunderstood condition. Laryngitis is an inflammation of your voice box or larynx, often leading to a hoarse or weak voice, dry cough, and a constant need to clear your throat. This discomfort usually arises due to common viruses or even overuse of our voices. It can be quite a nuisance, can't it? But don't worry, there's a simple home remedy that can help soothe the symptoms. Before we dive into the remedy, let's understand what happens in the body when laryngitis occurs. Picture this. Your larynx or voice box is like a finely tuned instrument. When it gets inflamed due to an infection or overuse, the vocal cords inside the larynx become irritated and swollen. This inflammation affects the way your vocal cords vibrate, leading to symptoms like a hoarse voice or even voice loss. But your body isn't just a passive observer in this process. Oh no, it jumps into action to combat the inflammation. The immune system triggers a response, producing extra mucus to protect the inflamed area. This can lead to a feeling of something stuck in your throat and a persistent need to clear it. At the same time, the swelling can make swallowing difficult and cause a dry, scratchy throat. Now that we understand the science behind laryngitis, you are ready to learn about the effective home remedy. Here's a proven and effective home remedy for laryngitis. Let's delve right into the step-by-step process. First and foremost, staying hydrated is key. Drinking plenty of water soothes your throat and keeps your vocal cords moist, which is vital in the healing process. Warm liquids like herbal tea can also be very comforting. Secondly, give your voice a rest. Speaking strains your vocal cords, so it's essential to limit your voice use as much as possible. Next, consider using a humidifier. This device increases the moisture in the air, helping to moisten your throat and relieve the symptoms of laryngitis. Lastly, gargle with warm salt water. This old-school remedy helps to soothe a sore throat and reduce inflammation. Each of these steps plays a significant role in easing your symptoms and promoting healing. Remember, while this home remedy can help alleviate your symptoms, it's crucial to seek medical advice if your symptoms persist or worsen. Laryngitis is uncomfortable, but you can manage it with this simple home remedy. Remember, we've explored the science behind laryngitis and outlined a proven effective home remedy. However, it's essential to note that while this remedy may provide relief, it's not a substitute for professional medical advice. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe to Remedy Seeker for more health tips and remedies. Stay healthy and see you in our next video.